Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the vow of the Dead King in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. The area is in the frost-veiled castle ruins in Peilun. If you haven't unlocked this side of the map yet, use these 2 points as a guideline. The first time you get here, there will be some bandits that you need to clear out just so you won't get interrupted. After that, make your way to the back of the ruins and you'll see an arc with gold paintings on it. Beside this will be a staircase leading to a dungeon full of traps. Don't worry, as these traps are easy to get through. You can use aerial stab to skip most traps in the game like this. There will be a single area with enemies that you can skip, but I suggest you to defeat these as they drop an important crafting material for later in the game. At the very end, all you need to do is light the lamp and you'll get the Vow of the Dead King. This is the best halberd type weapon in the game. It comes with a base 16 attack, level 3 crit rate, and it's on its second level of refinement. This weapon goes up to level 4 crit rate when maxed out, which is the highest amount for a weapon in the game. It's an extremely important weapon to get for late game builds, especially for builds that rely on the skill Turning Slash. And that is how to get the Vow of the Dead King in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.